Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix the S23 Ultra is having an issue with not receiving incoming calls. Whenever you're trying to use your phone, you're not able to receive anything from your friends, and this issue even happens to many people very often sometimes. So how we can fix this up? So you can try the same step on S23 Plus and even on the S23 and even on the S23 Ultra as well. So in order to fix this up, we have to follow these instructions, and the first one is all about we need to check the internet connection. So right now, as you can see here, I am connected to a Wi-Fi which is stable one. So that is what you have to do as the first one. You have to make sure that you're connected to the internet. Either it can be the cellular data, or if it is a Wi-Fi, that is also fine. You have to make sure that you're connected to the internet, and that should be stable connection as well. Next one is all about we have to turn off do not disturb mode. So you have to cross check whether you have enabled do not disturb mode on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So you can just go over here, and from here you can understood whether the do not disturb mode is actually turn it on. If it is turn it on, we have to turn this off. It is very important that you have to turn this off. And also, as you can see, if I turn this on, the do not disturb mode is turn it on, definitely I'll not be listening, or I'll not be hearing, or I'll not be getting any calls from my friends or co-workers or whatever it may be. So it is very important that we need to turn this off. Once you turn this off, you have to make sure that it's turned off as well, and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to update the OS. For this, we just need to go over here in the settings. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to software update. Now from here you have to tap on download and install. So you have to check whether you are having any software update or not. So these even can also be sometimes a software glitch. So you have to cross check if you are getting any software update. Just update your S23 Ultra. Right now, as you can see, that is getting updated. So what I'm going to do is, hence we're in the middle of video, I'm going to post this up, and I'm going to update it later. So those users who are watching this, if you are getting any kind of this kind of update, just update your S23 Ultra to the latest version. Now go back and check whether the issue is solved or not. Even after trying with this, if the issue is still there, the next one is all about we have to do a reset network settings. This did work for many users, so you can try this out. That is all about, we just need to go over here in the settings, keep scrolling down and navigate to about phone. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to reset option. Now from here, what we need to do is there is an option called reset network settings. Tap on it and you can do a reset network settings. It will be like a fresh start. So check whether you solve it or not. Even you can also try, I'm not recommending, but I don't know how this is genuine, but even for some users, when they go for factory data reset, it even worked for them. So I give the preference for the reset network settings first. Even after trying all these 5 steps, still it's not working, we can go for a factory data reset, and once afterwards, most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.